Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's check this one out. This one's creating some buzz, so we're going to check it out. It's called Kori Inu. Enter the world's first XNFT powered gaming platform. Building on foundations of the Ethereum Layer 1 network, Kori Inu seeks to revolutionize the modern gaming landscape with flagship game Legends of Kori, a play-to-earn model shooter adventure game introducing the world's first Exodata NFT. The evolution of NFTs. These X-NFTs expand the power of NFTs, allowing them to evolve and devolve based on the journey of your character in the Koriverse. Okay, so we're going to be seeing a lot of stuff to do with NFTs and a lot of games coming out, and I hope that you guys are excited. I've been telling you guys since the end of 2021 that 2022 was going to be a lot of talk about NFTs, gaming verses and whatnot like that. So we're definitely going to get really deep into all this because this is going to be a lot of the talk for 2022. Considering, Facebook switching their name to Meta, there's going to be a lot going on with metaverses this whole 2022. The future of NFTs is evolving. Legends of Kori follows Arctic Ice Wolf Kori on their journey of becoming human to save humanity. This unique story showcases the power of XNFTs to evolve as your character grows, becoming an ultimate prize possession, whether on the battlefield or on OpenSea. So this is pretty epic right here. This is pretty new. This is nice right here. I like how they got it laid out with this XNFT and how it's gonna eventually transform into a full-blown werewolf. We have the wolf map, the roadmap to Omega, okay? And this is brand new. So we're on beta number. We're on B right now, okay? So we got some of these checked off. The website reveal, liquidity, DEX listing, $1 million market cap, reach, white paper. We got COINMARKETCAP and COINGECKO. Like I said, they're creating a buzz. Wolfpack members, we're still looking on that growing. And if you're part of the Wolfpack already, I need you guys to load this up with likes and load it up with comments to show everybody what's going to be going on when they join up over here. So we have this coming up, the XNFT blockchain development, Legend of Kori development, 5,000 Wolfpack members, 50,000 market cap reach, okay? So I want you guys to come over here and check this out. We're going to look at the tokenomics right now. We got a 2% LP, 5% goes to the marketing, 4% goes to development, 25% CEX utility, and 0 team tokens, and 100% liquidity burn. This is crazy right here. So we need to check this out. Join the community, participate in the Kori Ethereum token discussion, and stay up to date on our development journey by joining the Telegram channel. I'm going to drop this video in there after I drop this. So if you guys are part of my channel, if you guys are one of my followers on Twitter, come over here and do your due diligence and come ask some questions, because I'm going to be up in there after I drop this video, and I want to see everybody on top of this. They're creating some buzz, so we want to see what this is about, make sure that we don't miss out on anything. All right, so continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.